Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 17th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Canadian. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So anyways, on the US dollar CAD, I mean, the trend is down on every single higher time frame. So as always, our primary direction should be down. The definitely price did make three waves up to a Fibonacci level, and that definitely would have been a nice sorting opportunity today for sure. Now, looking at other dollar pairs, I do see the possibility of this being an ABC and this possibly going up one more time. I actually think that would make more sense for that to happen, maybe setting itself up for a nice sort tomorrow. The problem with that analysis is it's going against all the higher time frames. When you're going against all the higher time frames and you try to go long, oftentimes what happens is it just keeps on going down and down and down, which is why I think that the trades we should be looking for is short at three-way pullbacks and Fibonacci bounces. Definitely not counter trend moves that we think could possibly happen on the 1 hour time frame. So I'm definitely still recommending shorts in a downtrend unless the higher time frames tell me otherwise. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.